This Thanksgrilling series, it's going to be huge.
You can't miss out on this.
Not this one.
Shoot, yeah, those Kingsford Pellets provide the best flavor.
Oh, yeah.
Let's get it started.
Happy holidays, everybody. I'm Chef Greg with recteq. And if you want to, kind of jazz up your holiday beverage cocktail game, gotta check out this Durty Salted Caramel Apple Martini. I'm telling you, it's delicious. All right, we're going to grab some ice in our shaker glass here. Yahtzee. Got delicious bourbon. Again, use your favorite bourbon. Don't go cheap, people. Salted caramel vodka. No, I'm not kidding. Salted caramel vodka. Ridiculous. Some amazing apple cider. And of course, you got to have that Durty Gurl Sour mix. Ooh, so good. We're kind of a little shake on. Woo! Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Shake your booty. All right. I told you this is going to be a sexy drink. So we're going to go ahead and take our chilled martini glass and grab some salted caramel and, go straight Picasso on here, okay? Yeah. That's what you want to do. We're going to go ahead and strain this over the top. Ooh, child, please. All right, we're not done yet because you know what? If you're having apple pie, you're going to have whipped cream on the top. If you're going to have an apple teeny, you're going to have whipped cream on the top. Nice little quenelle. We're going to go over the top with that Ray's warm apple pie. And then, you know how we roll around here. You know what? I don't think we had enough caramel in there, though. There you had it. Delicious. Durty salted caramel apple teeny. Happy holidays, everybody.